Russia's Storm next-generation nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, currently under development by the Krylovsky State Research Center, is shaping up to be a formidable competitor to the U.S. Navy's Nimitz-class carriers, which have long been a cornerstone of Western naval power. The Storm is set to be a nuclear-powered, multi-purpose warship capable of carrying a large air group, with several advanced features designed to enhance Russia's ability to project power across distant regions, particularly in the Arctic. Although specific technical specifications are still emerging, the Storm is expected to rival the Nimitz class in terms of size, capabilities, and versatility. In terms of size and displacement, the Storm is projected to have a full displacement of 95,000 tons, putting it in the same class as the U.S. Navy's Nimitz-class carriers, which displace between 90,000 and 100,000 tons.